As we all know, automation is the creation and application of technologies to produce and deliver goods and services with minimal human intervention. Currently, automation is the key demand of industrial and domestic users. Thus, we bring our idea of home automation using IoT-based system to control our home appliances with minimal interaction. IoT-based smart home is the digital system of controlling the home appliances digitally with the help of internet access by using your Android, Apple smartphones or personal computers, etc. using Google Assistant or Alexa. The IoT-based home automation system offers a lot of flexibility. It comes along with various features including management of your home devices from one place, ease of use, flexibility for new devices and appliances, remote control of your home functions, home management insights, multi-controlling, and many more. Discussing its advantages, the IoT based system enables us to smartly control our general electrical appliances without converting them into smart devices. It can provide great help to handicaps to control their house's appliances with just their voice. It can also control door security by connecting smart door lock with it. The ability to manage your home's electronic devices from one main control system can make your household run smoother, feel better, and save energy. The automation system will simply work using Node MCU. The user will use their cell phone's Google Assistant to send command wirelessly to Node MCU, which will then execute the task and perform the required actions using relays or precision. That's all. Thank you.